Today I will teach you how to add chart of account in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name. For example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Once we've entered, we need to go to the Chart of Account module. Click the arrow at the right side. It will show two categories, account type and sub-account type. Now I will demonstrate the two categories. First, is the account type. Click the account type category. After clicking, it will show the main accounts, including the assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Followed by their respective sub-accounts, the current assets and non-current assets, which naturally belong to assets, current liabilities, and non-current liabilities for liabilities. Sole proprietor and stockholders' equity for equity. And the main account expenses is followed by the following sub-accounts, namely cost of services, cost of goods sold, selling expenses, and general administrative expenses. Let's move on to the sub-account type category. Click the sub-account type. Once you click, it will bring you to another section wherein all sub-accounts are made and assigned to a specific main account. For example, the sub-account named current asset. It is assigned as a sub-account for asset, because its function fits the main account. We can also add description below, but in this case it is fairly understandable. Both account type and sub-account type are essential in creating or adding a chart of account. At this part we'll create a new chart of account. Click the Chart of Account module. Then click the plus button above. In creating a chart of account, we need to accurately fill in the following sections. We will make a chart of account that belongs to expenses. Click the main account type section, and select expenses. Then head on to the sub-account and choose general administrative expenses. Next, assign it to a level. We'll set it to level 1. After that, type the account name that you want to name this chart of account. I will name this filters and consumable materials. Skip the normal balance, but if you insist on giving it a normal balance, feel free to set the numerical value of your choice. Once we've completely filled all the sections, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.